Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I want to elaborate a little bit about renewals for month-to-month residents, or residents whose leases come due within the first couple months of operations. Although this will be heavily dependent on your specific business plan, I want to share 4 options we provided to our residents on our most recent acquisition. Number 1, on-site transfers. We are offering current residents the option to transfer to a newly turned unit with the transfer fee waived. Number 2, in-place updates to proforma. In these units, we are giving the residents a choice of what upgrades they want that would justify the rent increase to proforma, of course with a specific cap identified that is in line with our business plan. Number 3, in-place updates to 75% of the delta between in-place rent to proforma. For example, if the increase to proforma is $100, the 75% increase would be $75. Similar to the previous option, we allow the residents to choose their upgrades, but with a lower renovation budget. And lastly, number 4, in-place renewal with a rent increase without any updates. The amount to increase your rent will be decided by you and your property manager and how it aligns with your business plan. Also, if your ultimate goal is to renovate this specific unit, then you don't want to sign a long-term lease so you can renovate the unit in the near future. Before property takeover, you should have a rough idea of how you would like renewals to go to avoid a large dip in occupancy. However, you want to empower your property manager to get a feel for the resident base and provide feedback on how they think renewals should be handled. And together you can come up with a plan. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.